Do you know anybody or heard about anybody that's making a lot of money selling digital products online? The reason being is when you sell digital products, there is no inventory cost. So your business overhead is very minimal. And with digital products, information products, online courses, you can make 100% of the profits and you can sell it again, 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 again. That's how people make a lot of money. But here's what people don't tell you. Let's say if you are selling done for you courses, Master Resell Right course. For people who don't know what Master Resell Right is, Master Resell Rights means when you purchase this course, you own the license to resell it as your own. And when customer purchase from you, you make 100% of the payments. The original course creators don't get a cut from your sales. But what you don't know is those course creators let you make 100% profits on the product sale. But as soon as you onboard customer into the course, into their programs, those course creators will offer additional services, tools, resources to your customer. So your customer may pick up additional tools and pay in monthly subscription. So they keep paying month after month. The course creators take all the money. You don't get a penny. So that's the downfall when you are selling other people's master resale rights products. Now, with POP, we fix this big problem because if you cannot make monthly recurring revenue, you have to constantly looking for new customers every single month. That's not the way to build a long-term sustainable business because your business doesn't grow over time. With POP, when you make a sale, not only you make $1,000, 100% commissions directly paid to you instantly, but on the back end, you are also will be making additional monthly subscriptions. Let me show you an example. This is our POP sales. You can see all this $1,000, $1,000, $1,000 when people buy POP from us. But on the left-hand side, you can also see all these small monthly subscriptions, additional products that people pick up. That's the power when you sell POP. So with POP, we open that monthly subscription options for you to make those monthly recurring revenues. And here are tools and resources that you can recommend to your POP customers so you make additional income. Not only that, when you set up your POP, we give you a couple options. So let me quickly walk you through. In order for you to sell digital products, you basically need to set up a couple things. Number one, you need to build out your funnel. So your funnel can collect your prospects' emails. When they don't buy the first time they see your offer, they will be in your email list. Then you use your emails to follow up with them automatically to nurture your prospects. Then they will buy from your emails. So you make money both ways. They either buy it from the order form page, they see on your website, or if they don't buy, your system automatically follow up with them. That's how you make maximum amount of money. With POP, we do give you a couple options. We have our optional software, which is super powerful, and that can replace your current funnel building software if you are using one. But in the program, we also give you free options. We provide you with templates. You can totally set it up by yourself. But if you do want to use optional software that we are using personally, you're gonna have additional 15 products that you can promote at the back end without you lifting a finger. Because in this software, we already pre-built 1 year of email follow-up sequence, including all the videos tied directly back to your affiliate links. So the system will be promoting in addition to POP, making $1,000 per sale. The system will help you promote 15 other products automatically. That's how you scale your business fast. Number two thing you need to have a system to run your business. Number three thing you will need for you to run a successful digital marketing business is how do you get traffic? How do you get people to walk into your store and consider buying stuff from you? In order for you to get traffic, you need to learn how to publish content. So inside POP, we teach how to create high engaging content through storytelling. But not only that, we also give you done for you content that you can literally post, start promoting the offer. So let me show you. This is the POP membership area, and here is faceless content vault. You can simply download these videos and use it to promote POP or any other offer you want to promote. So this will get your business up and going super fast. If you follow the step-by-step training, you can get your entire system set up, ready to generate income within 2 hours of time. Now, if you are thinking about POP, if you think this will help your business to make that internet money, for people who pick up POP today by clicking the link down below, you will get additional bonuses. So number one, you will have products. When I say products, it means besides POP, we also give you additional private label rights products that we are selling ourselves, but you can take those products, rebrand them as your own, and sell them as your products. So all these products, you can sell them as your own and make money from those products as well. So you're gonna have products, templates done for you. You're gonna have our lead magnet that you can give away to build your email list. You're also gonna have done for you content. You're also gonna have training. All this training, very comprehensive. This is basically everything you need, everything we have learned, me and Nate, how we generated over $3.4 million online in just 3 years of time. So this training, starting from very beginner level, all the way to high-level advanced training, including Facebook ads by Jonathan Montoya, TikTok ads, IG shoutout masterclass. So these are for more advanced marketers. So this is basically A to Z to teach you everything you need to know to scale your offer. Selling POP is optional. You can totally use this training to sell your current offer. So you're going to have trainings. You're also going to have done for you script, which is included in the bonus number 2. I will walk you through in just a minute. And we also have coaches and staff installed in the program for you. This I will also explain in the point number 2. So you get all this completely done for you. Bonus number 2, you will have 30-day free access to our EIE 3.0 premium coaching program. This premium coaching program is selling at $97 per month. You're going to get 1 month free as your bonus. Inside this 30-day free access to this premium coaching, we will hold you accountable to get your digital and coaching business set up and ready to generate income within 30 days. If you follow the step-by-step training, you will have your entire system built out within 2 hours. But we're going to hold you by the hands. Make sure after you set up the system, you know how to ride this monster. Let me show you what's inside this EIE optional premium coaching module. Inside this EIE 3.0 mentorship, which is selling at $97 per month, you're going to have access to additional done-for-you resources, including additional monthly content, updated content. So you always have the latest content that you can use in your business. Not only that, you're going to have access to our about 20 to 25 live coaching calls with our coaches. And you're also going to have access to me and Nathan's personal video scripts. So every single month, the people who are inside IE 3.0 group coaching module, you will receive 3 speaking video scripts. You're going to use it in your speaking videos to create engagement and also convert people. So that's the optional coaching. You will get 1 month free. And when your customer join POP, if they also purchase this EIE 3.0 group coaching after the first month bonus, if they pay $97 per month, you will be making 30% commissions from that without you doing anything. Regardless, if you are a paying member for this premium coaching or not, you still will be making that additional commissions from their subscriptions. How amazing is that? That's number 2. And number 3, you will have 1 ticket to attend our upcoming personal branding story masterclass. You probably already know there are marketers always making, regardless what programs they are selling, they always make money. And there are marketers who are selling the same thing, but they are struggling with making sales. Why? because the people who are making money, they know how to build that relationship through their personal stories. So by knowing how to tell your personal branding story is super important. We're going to give you one ticket to attend our upcoming personal branding story masterclass. And on this masterclass, me and Nate will help you craft your personal branding story. Make sure you know how to tell a powerful story using your personal background. Super, super powerful. Number 4, for people who join POP today, we also gonna give you this super bonus. You will have 30-day access to our premium coaching service for 1 month. Then on the second month, you can decide if you still want to have access to this monthly updated content vault. Let's say if you don't want to pay for that $97 per month optional fee, for people who pick up POP today, you will have access to POP weekly coaching session. So we're actually going to be coaching you every single week without additional charge. So if you like these bonuses, make sure you click the link down below, pick up POP today. And POP is one-time investment. Let me show you. So when you click the link down below, POP is only one-time investment. $1,000 if you do one pay. And you will be making $1,000 profit, 100% profits directly paid to you on every single sale. POP will also help you make additional monthly passive income without you lifting a finger. You're actually going to be making multiple income streams at the back end using software completely done for you to sell those offers for you. And for people who are in the United States or in the Canada, you guys have additional options that you can use payment options. Just scroll down to this page, then you will find additional financing options. You can literally get started with just $50 or $86 if you do get approved. If you are in Canada, you want to try financing options, please click on this link, then it will take you to this page. And this page is only applies to people who are in Canada. If you want to use payment options, make sure you click on this Need Financing Options button, then fill out a form, then the system will send you an invoice for you to try payment options. Other than that, I will see you in the program to help you crush this. Let's go.